In front of me is Blackshock gaming tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll to click on Security and Privacy section available here. Then scroll again, this time to tap on Device Unlock, where you can find Face Unlock section under Screen Lock. Now, enter your current login method to continue and choose Enter the face. Select Next. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then hit OK. Now you can switch this switcher next to Screen Fill Light to enable or disable it. It's mostly useful if you are using your tablet in, for example, dark office or a room. And go back. So now let's check out if it worked. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!